How to fix iMessage syncing with iCloud paused.
Guys, your iMessage also syncing with iCloud paused. Today in this video I will explain what reason your iMessage is syncing with iCloud paused. Open your iPhone setting. Then tap on Apple ID profile. Then tap on iCloud. Then tap on See All. Then tap on Messages in iCloud. My iMessage status not syncing. Because your iCloud storage is full, new messages will not be restored if you replace this iPhone or set up a new one. Get more storage, then problem is solved. You can see here my iCloud almost full. This reason my iMessage is not syncing.